In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate the camera in OpenToonz using the Animate tool. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow to create camera moves like pans, zooms, and rotations. This approach uses the built-in camera column and automatic keyframing, so your animation updates in real time as you work. Start by opening the X sheet, which is the spreadsheet-style timeline view in OpenToonz. In the list of columns, look for the camera column, typically labeled Camera 1. That's the track where your camera's motion will be stored. Having the right camera column visible ensures your adjustments are recorded exactly where they belong. Next, select the Animate tool from the toolbar. This is the tool designed to transform elements over time, and when the camera is targeted, it controls your shot's movement. With the Animate tool active, go up to the Tool Options bar. Here, choose what you want to adjust. Position will move the camera's view left, right, up, or down, great for creating a pan. Scale will zoom the camera in or out, which is ideal for push-ins and pull-outs. Rotation tilts the view, useful for adding subtle angles or dynamic motion. Now, click directly in the viewer, the main canvas where your scene is displayed, and drag to adjust the camera. You'll see the framing change as you drag. Keep an eye on the edges of the frame so you don't accidentally move too far and reveal areas you don't want to show. If you make an adjustment you don't like, you can undo and try again until it feels right. Here's the key. When you change the camera at a specific frame, OpenToonz automatically creates a keyframe in the camera column. That means your position, scale, or rotation at that frame is saved. To animate over time, move to another frame on the X sheet and make another adjustment using the same tool and option. Each new change at a different frame creates another keyframe, and OpenToonz interpolates the motion between them. For smoother results, space your keyframes thoughtfully and make incremental changes. You can scrub the timeline to preview the move and refine by adjusting at different frames as needed. That's the entire process. Find the camera column, select the Animate tool, choose position, scale, or rotation, drag in the viewer to set your framing, and repeat on another frame to build the motion. With a few well-placed keyframes, you'll get clean, professional camera animation that enhances your scene without extra steps.